The big catch: understanding hunting and fishing license taxes. Ever wondered why you need a piece of paper just to catch a fish? It's called the hunting and fishing license tax. And no, it's not for my snacks. It might feel like a chore, but it's actually a secret weapon for nature. Essentially, it's a fee paid by sportsmen to ensure there are animals to hunt and fish. Without this funding, our woods and waters would look a lot different. Let's dive deeper into where this money actually goes. This is a user pay, user benefit model. You pay, you play, nature wins. The money goes directly into state wildlife agencies, not a general slush fund. It funds things like habitat restoration. That's fancy talk for fixing animal homes. It also pays for fish stocking. Thousands of fish are added to lakes yearly. Imagine trying to fish in an empty pool. Boring, right? License fees make sure the pool is always full of life. But wait, there's more. Every time you buy gear, you're paying a hidden tax. This is thanks to the Pittman-Robertson Act for hunters and the Dingell-Johnson Act for us anglers. They sound like law firms, don't they? Manufacturers pay a 10 to 11% tax on equipment, which is passed on. This money is dedicated solely to wildlife restoration and boater safety. It's a massive cycle of funding that keeps the great outdoors great. The federal government collects the money, but the states do the heavy lifting. Funds are distributed based on the land area and the number of license holders. The more people fish in your state, the more money your state gets for fish. This encourages states to keep their natural resources in tip-top shape. It's a competition where everyone, especially the animals, wins the prize. So your license isn't just a permit, it's an investment in your own backyard. What happens if you try to dodge the tax? Well, it's not pretty. Fishing without a license is often considered poaching, which is a serious crime. You could face heavy fines, loss of equipment, or even jail time. But the biggest cost is the damage to the ecosystem we all love. Without licenses, there's no monitoring, which leads to overfishing. Don't be that guy. Nobody likes that guy. Trust me on this one. So, the next time you pay for that license, do it with a smile. You're a hero for the deer, the ducks, and the giant bass. Keep the tradition alive and be a responsible sportsman out there. Ignore my shirt. For once, you can definitely trust these facts. Tide lines and happy hunting. See you on the water.